Hello everyone, here I want to introduce why Earth is a habitable planet. As you know, a planet have become a habitable planet is a very complicated process. So here I just introduce some main point. First I introduce what is a habitable planet. Habitable planet is one that can sustain life for a significant period of time. The position from sun is a very important point. The Earth is located in a habitable zone. It means it's not too close and it's not too far around the sun. The sun provides the energy to sustain all life on Earth. For instance, the gravity of the sun keeps Earth is in its orbit. It's achieving a suitable temperature, so Earth's surface water is liquid, not freezing. The amount of light is received that is responsible for the season and the biodiversity on Earth. And Earth is also have a stable rotation. A stable rotation supplies the regularity and the frequency of day and night on Earth. That goes far to prevent extreme temperature and encourage life. Earth's rotation, not just its self-rotation, it also include the revolution around the sun. And Earth also have a magnetic field. Earth has a strong stable magnetic field which stave off the solar wind. Solar wind is a stream of energetic charged particles emanating from the sun. It's dangerous for life. The last one I want to, the point is the atmosphere is very important for life also. It's have a lot of functions. It's a protection. The atmosphere block out the harmful rays from the sun. For example, UV is water. Is Earth's atmosphere contains water. Oxygen and carbon dioxide. It means life on Earth needs to breathe. And the atmosphere contains a large amount of nitrogen. That's all of the component is very important for life on the Earth. So it's just a brief introduce about the Earth become a habitable planet. A lot of other things has become Earth become a habitable planet. Thank you so much for watching.